How to change email password on iPhone. Whether you're trying to secure your account or simply forgot your password, changing your email password on your iPhone is a simple process. To change your email password, open Settings app. Scroll down until you see the Passwords option. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts you have on your iPhone. Tap on the email account that you want to change the password for. Once you have selected the account, you'll see an option that says Change Password on Website. Tap on it. You will now be prompted to enter your old password. And then your new password twice. After you have entered your new password twice, tap Change Password. Done! You have successfully changed your email password on your iPhone. That's it. It's always important to keep your account secure by regularly changing your passwords. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.